I'm in a state of confusion and rather abject ignorance as to who is really responsible for all this. Dahil even if I am officially a member of the BICAM, a vice chair of the Finance Committee, the truth is we were not consulted on these drastic changes made in the budget for 2025. Nagulat nga ako dahil andun nga nakita natin yung sa ating rules ng Senate, maliwanag din na kailangan may explanatory kung bakit nagbago-bago. Pero ganun talaga
Pero yung nga ma'am, yung kawalan ng consultation, kanino dapat call yan, di ba? As kay Finance Committee Chairman, sana na-consult muna kayo?
Wala sa ugali kong nagtuturo pero